Hi lang.
Hello, teacher.
Good morning, Lam.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you, Lam?
I'm fine.
That's good to know. Okay, so do you have any plans today? Maybe you'll go to the playground, you'll go to the department store. What will you do?
Mm, Nothing, nothing.
Oh, nothing? What about yesterday? What did you do?
I just play. No, I just eat before John school.
Okay. Did Mia go to school, Lam?
Yeah, me, I have to go.
What about you? After this, do you have another class?
No,
Okay. Wait. Did you send me your homework, Lam?
no, teacher, I forgot because I said my dad, but my mom didn't. You put it for my mom, but my mom forgot to
Print
send
it
it for
out?
my dad. Yeah.
Ah, okay. I see. That is why. Don't worry.
Ngồi ở
We'll
bàn
have
đấy nha.
it. And now,
Nó nằm xuống đi
okay.
hôm nay.
Với một bạn đi lên bàn ngồi đi.
Okay.
Okay. Don't worry. We'll have it now, Lam. Okay. Can you see it clearly or not?
Cherry, very, very.
Very clearly. Okay. So
Đó,
encircle the correct
đi lên bàn ngồi.
answer, Lam.
Ah!
What happened, Lam?
Yeah. What did Cherry say? I get my mom. So I can't hear.
What happened? Are you sick again?
Yeah, I'm still sick. But not sick, I'm just coughing so many.
Hmm. Why? What's the weather like in Ho Chi Minh?
It's sunny and rainy. I don't know. Sometimes raining, sometimes sunny.
Okay. Probably that is why you have a runny nose, Lam. What about now? Is it sunny or rainy?
It's okay.
It's okay now. Same here in the Philippines, Lam. Sometimes it's really hot and then it will suddenly rain, just like now. It's raining. Okay. So now, Lam, in here, I want you to encircle the correct answer. Okay. Can you answer 1 to 25, Lam? And then we'll check it right after.
How many, teacher? 25?
Yes. We'll check it right after, Lam. Remember the rule, Lam. Okay, this is a combination of present simple and present continuous. Do you
Now
have
I
a med?
do it, teacher. Now I do it, teacher. Okay, let me.
Encircle.
John's
Encircle,
sleep.
Lam.
It, John's is sleeping now.
Okay, yes. John is sleeping now.
Uh, I don't know what is this name is for something.
Francisca.
Uh, Francesca. It's like a French name. Like a French name. It look like a French name. Teacher, it look like a French name.
Yeah, it looks like a French name, Francesca. So what is your answer here, Lam? Is
A
it goes or is
friend
going?
that goes to school every day.
Okay, goes. Very good. Three, Lam.
Uh, friend. I have a piano lesson on Tuesday and Friday.
Very good. Next one, Lam.
Sam and Sarah play tennis every Saturday.
Okay. Tom.
Teacher, can I go toilet first?
Yes, sure, Lam.
Okay, I'm back.
Okay. Now, Lam, what is your answer for 5?
Oh, teacher, can I go again? I forgot. I think I just sat here because I forgot what goes to the toilet is.
You forgot what it means when we say go to toilet?
Okay. Now.
Okay, now let us have item 5, Lam. Mr. and Mrs. Clark visit or are visiting my family every year.
Are visiting.
Is it? Are you sure, Lam?
No.
No, you're not. Okay, it's just visit, Lam, because it's something that they do every year. So it becomes a habit, Lam, a habit. Okay. So in here, we will use the present simple tense. Visit, not are visiting. We can only say are visiting, Lam, if it says Mr. and Mrs. Clark are visiting my family next, okay, next month or next week. Okay, that is the only time you can say are visiting. If it is happening right now, Lam, or around this time, okay, or future arrangement. Now, what about 4, 6? 6, Lam.
I think so. I am doing my I don't know what is homework every day.
Okay. Now, what is your answer for 6, Lam? My mom.
My
Is it
mom
doesn't cook or
doesn't
isn't cook?
cook for at the moment.
Okay, yeah, we have here at the moment, Lam. So what should we answer? Is it doesn't cook or isn't cooking?
It have to be isn't cooking.
Okay, yes, it has to be isn't cooking because it is happening around this time. What about 7, Lam? I HW, Lam, it's homework.
Homework.
Yes.
Is
Every
it
day,
not homework?
Lam. It's every day. So what is your answer? Is it I do or I am doing?
It's so hot.
It's not hard, Lam. All you have to do is to look if it is happening right now or if it is
Friends
something that we do
that
every day or often.
is working in Australia this month.
Okay, so this one is working. Okay, this one, it's I do my
We
homework every day.
we don't dance at school today.
Are you sure, Lam? Is it don't dance? We have here school today, Lam, today. What do you think is the answer? What is the answer for 9, Lam?
We don't dance. We don't dance. No, we aren't dancing at school today.
Yes, very good. We aren't dancing at school today. Great job, Lam. Very good. What about for 10?
Teacher, but can you send me this test? Can you
What?
write the I'm not playing anything, but can you write the word milk? Because I want to know how to read, no, how to write that word.
What word, Lam?
Can you write milk? Because
Milk
I want, yeah.
in Vietnamese?
Yeah.
Sữa.
Okay, I got it. I
Why?
forgot.
Oh, you forgot. Okay. What is your answer for 10?
For 10, boys don't, no, boys aren't wearing pink t-shirts.
Okay, boys don't wear. Okay, very good. Next one, our teachers.
Our teacher are singing at the moment, is it?
Okay, Our teachers are singing at the moment because if it is happening right now or if it's a future arrangement, lam, we use is are, am, and then the ing, right? Okay, that is why it's are singing. We have here at the moment right now, lam. Okay, now what about for 12?
Well, um, hmm, for 12 teacher,
Yes, 12, lam. We
this is hot.
take your time, lam.
It's a hot teacher.
You can do it, lam. It's an action, lam, that happens every day, right? We have here every day. So what is the answer? Is it are or are eat? I mean, is it we eat or we are eating?
We are eating.
Okay, we eat, lamb. We eat our snacks from 9:25 to 9:40 every day. Okay, so remember again, lamb, if it is a generally true sentence, something that we do every day, lamb. Okay, something that becomes our routine, our habit. It is a generally true sentence. We will use the base form of the verb if our subject is we. What about for 13?
Um, Simon's is having football month every foot, not every day.
Okay. Simon is having lamb.
Is thing.
Are you sure? Is it is having lamb? We have here every Monday and Thursday.
I think so.
Are you sure, lamb?
I think very short.
Okay, now in here, lamb, it would be Simon has. Okay, Simon has a football training every Monday and a Thursday because we have here a schedule. It is a generally true sentence. We can only say Simon is having a football training tonight. Okay?
Yeah.
That is the only time we can use is having if it is about to happen, lam, or if it is happening right now. Now, what about for 14? Simon, this week.
This week, Simon, uh, can you translate it in Vietnamese for me?
Which word?
If the sentence.
The sentence?
Yeah.
Why? It's understandable, lam. Simon is it doesn't have or isn't having a football training this week. Simon is a person's name, lam. What are we going to use here? Is it doesn't have or isn't having?
Having. Isn't
Okay.
having.
Yes, it is. Isn't having. Okay, now next one. I make or I am making beds every morning.
I am making tents every morning.
No, it's not I am making, lamb. It's something that you do every day, every morning. So it's just I make beds every morning. What about for 16?
Let me think, teacher. Can I think?
Okay. Yeah, take your time, Lam. No need to answer quickly, Lam.
Listen, a baby is crying.
Okay, my brother is. Oh, listen. A baby is crying. Very good. What about 16? You didn't answer it. My brother washes or my brother is washing the car at the moment.
My brother is washing the car at the moment.
Okay, yes, that's correct, Lam. Now, what about for 18? 18. Look, children sledge or children are sledging there.
Super not letting there.
Okay, yes, very good. This children are sledging. Okay, 19, Lam. Tony is in his room. He learns or he is learning.
She is learning.
Okay, yes, he's learning. What about 20? Kate is at the cinema. She watches or she is watching a film.
She is watching a film.
Okay, very good. What about for 21, La? My granddad is in the garden. He cuts or he is cutting the grass.
She is having.
Okay, he is cutting the grass. 22, my grandma is in the living room. She reads or she is reading a book.
She is reading a book.
Okay, yes, she is reading a book. 23, La. My sister is in the UK. Phone She phones or she is phoning us every week.
She is phoning.
Is it? Is phoning, Lam? We have here every week, Lam. Every week.
Every week. So
Yes.
my sister, no, my sister is in the UK. She's is phoning. Now, I don't know what is that, teacher.
It's us, Lam. It's us. It's a typo, Lam. It's us every week. Okay, us every week. What is the answer? It's
Um,
remember if it is a generally true sentence or it talks about habits, routines, then we will use the base form of the verb if our subject is I, you, we, and they, and you add s or es if your subject is he, she, or it.
Hãy nhớ rằng, nếu đó là một câu nói đúng sự thật hoặc nói về thói quen, nếp sinh hoạt, thì chúng ta sẽ sử dụng dạng nguyên mẫu của động từ. Nếu chủ ngữ là y, yêu, we và đây, thì bạn thêm s hoặc s nếu chủ ngữ là he, she hoặc it.
Okay, Lam.
Yeah.
So what is the answer here, Lam? Is it she phones or she is phoning us every week?
She phones us every week.
Okay, yeah, she phones us every week. What about for 24, Lam? We go or we are going to the sea every summer.
We are going to the sea every summer.
Okay, so it's not we are going. Lam, you can remember, Lam, you can only use SR and the ing if it is happening right now or it talks about future arrangement. It you can only use SR and plus the base form of wait, not the base form. You can only use SR and plus the ing if it talks about actions that are happening right now or future arrangement.
Bạn chỉ có thể sử dụng is, a và am kèm theo ing nếu câu nói về hành động đang xảy ra ngay bây giờ hoặc kế hoạch trong tương lai. Hãy nhớ rằng, nếu đó là câu nói chung chung đúng sự thật hoặc nói về thói quen, công việc thường nhật, thì chúng ta sẽ sử dụng dạng nguyên mẫu của động từ. Nếu chủ ngữ là y, yêu, we và đây, và bạn thêm s hoặc s nếu chủ ngữ là he, she hoặc it.
Okay, Lam?
Okay.
Okay, so now what is your answer for 24? Is it we go or we are going to the sea every summer?
We are going to the sea every summer.
No, this is a generally true sentence that they do every summer, Lam. Again, we are
Teacher,
not.
what is generally true sentence, teacher?
It is a fact, Lam.
Sự thật.
Oh.
Something that they do every summer, not only today or in some days. Or
Đây là điều họ làm mỗi mùa hè, không chỉ hôm nay hay trong tương lai.
okay, that is why, Lam, we'll use go here. We go, not we are going. Okay, we go to the sea every summer. Now, what about for 25? Peter goes or Peter is going skiing to the Alps every February.
There is going.
Is going, Lam. We have here every February, Lam. Every February.
What is that, teacher? February.
February is a month, Lam. It's a month of the year.
Oh, I forgot. I just think it's
Every
just you are
February.
setting another one, so I don't know.
Vào tháng 2 hàng năm.
Okay, so what is your answer here?
Wait, let me go. Peter is going to skip apples every Sunday.
Is going, Lam? It's goes, Lam. Peter goes.
Yes.
Yes, because it becomes a habit, Lam. We will use goes because this is in the present simple tense, which shows a habit of doing certain things.
Chúng ta sẽ dùng go vì đây là thì hiện tại đơn, thể hiện thói quen làm một việc nhất định.
Okay, that is why. So we will use goes. Now, let us have this one, Lam. In here, you have to make the sentences negative. Okay. Can you make a negative sentence for the first one? Lam, I go shopping on Saturday.
I go shopping every Saturday to the negative sentence. Teacher, I don't know how to make negative sentence, please.
Oh, we've talked about making negative sentences, right? All you have to do is to add the word not. Okay, not. So, it should be I
like to do something.
Okay, so it's I don't go shopping on Saturday. Okay, I do not go shopping on Saturday. Now, what about for the second one?
It's so hot. I
have to
don't know
do-
how to make it.
All you have to do is to add the word not to make it a negative sentence.
Bạn chỉ cần thêm từ không để biến nó thành câu phủ định.
What is your answer for C, Lam?
It's so hot, teacher.
Okay, so it should be Bob
Bob. Something.
Okay, so Bob isn't, isn't having.
Isn't having.
Okay, yes, it isn't having, Lam. It is, are, and Lam. And then you will have to put the word not. Okay, not. to make it negative. And in here, since it's a present simple, lam, then it's I don't. Okay? Don't. Next one. What about for C?
See?
Yes. My parents work indoors. So it will be,
It will have to be
what is the answer here, lam? Since it is a present simple, lam, how are we going to make it negative? It will be, is it do not, lam? Do not work or does not work?
does not work.
Okay, yes. My parents do not work, lam, indoors. My parents do not work indoors because we have here parents, lam. When we say parents, it's your mom and dad. So it's two people, right? We will use do not. Okay? Do not.
Okay.
Okay. Now, what about for D? My cousins live in Prague.
Oh. So we just make it negative.
Yes, that's right, lam. Prague. It's my cousins. My cousins. What do you think is the answer here? You have four
That's
options here, lam. You have four options, okay? It's, okay. Do not, does not, is not, or are not.
I'm not. I'm not.
Yes. Okay, so in here, lam, since it is in here, lam, you'll use it if it is present simple. In here, you'll use it as present continuous. Okay? If it is happening
Mm.
right now, lam, continuous right now. If it is generally true, it's present simple. Okay? So it should be my cousins. Okay, my cousins. It's, is it do not or does not? What is your answer?
It's not.
Okay, my cousins, lam, cousins. You are talking about many people here, not only one, lam. So it should be do not. Okay, my cousins do not live in Prague. Okay,
Yeah.
now what about for E? Children are drinking milk. Okay, so in here, lam, what are we going to do? Is it children do not, or children does not, children is not, or children are not?
I'm not.
Okay, are not drinking. Okay, aren't drinking milk. Very good. What about for F, lam? Kyla plays the flute. Is it Kyla do not, Kyla does not, Kyla is not, or Kyla are not?
Thailand.
What is the answer? Kyla? Kyla is not, lam?
Kyla
Kyla?
is not.
Now it is a generally true sentence, right? That Kyla can play the flute. So to make it a negative sentence, lam, all you have to do is to choose between do not and does not. So Kyla is only one, right? So we'll choose does not. Kyla does not play The flute.